Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiva Ravindra. Today I am going to explain you the Clinical SAS real-time project scenarios, scenario 4. So here generally, so these two variables are there in the ADSL. The interview panel members may ask you this question: what is the difference between the discontinuation reason and reason for a discontinuation in specific? Okay, so DCSREAS nothing but discontinuation reason. DCSREASP specific reason or special reason, anything there. So to discontinue from the study. So these two variables always we use some variables from the SDTM to map this variable in the ADAM level. So what are those variables? In any therapeutic area, any study, if you can take in ADSL data set, these two variables are you can see. Okay, so here decision for discontinuation study. So the CRF was collected in this format. Primary reason for discontinuation, either death or loss to follow, termination of the study by sponsor, withdrawal by patient from study, other. Okay, so they have given some list. If the subject is withdrawn from the study in this list, so the doctor will tick and that information goes to the DCSREAS. So if the reason was not listed in the CRF is please explain some reason, but every reason we are not expecting, right? So that reason, if any reason was not listed, due to that reason the subject was discontinued from the study, that time the doctor will tick other and that reason was mentioned in the CRF column. Okay, so here, so the main information go to the DC discontinuation reason, and if they tick other, so the other specified information go to the reason specific for discontinuation study. Okay, so here you can see DCSREAS other, then only we populate the other reason what the doctor writ in the CRF, that reason we have to populate in the other. Okay, so most of the time this we can use the DS term and this we can use the DS code variable. If the DS code is other, then we can map the DS term information to DCS REASP variable. Okay, so that information we have to populate in the listings and tables. So how it is primary reason for early, so we can't display it as other, so we have to concatenate the what is that other reason and we can display in the listing level. So this thing most of the programmers might aware, but still whenever the interview panel member asks a question like this, so they may confuse. Okay, so if you want more and more like this question, please watch my YouTube channel. Thank you.